Good morning, children. Sairam. Welcome back in our composition session. So, children, today we are going to learn something very interesting. Now, look at the screen and tell me what you all can see. Yes, here we can see fruits and vegetables. Can you all name the fruits and vegetables which we can see on the screen? Can you all tell me, children, what are the fruits, what are the vegetables we can see here in the picture? Yes, we can see there. Come on. Cherries are there. Lemons are there, yes. Bananas we can see. Carrots we can see. Tomatoes are there. Yes. So many fruits and vegetables we all can see here, which we all should eat every day. Correct, children? So, do you all know, children, from where do we get fruits and vegetables? Can anybody answer? Where do we go to buy? We go to buy to the shop, okay? To the green grocer we go, correct? But do you all know from where we get? From where we get the fruits and vegetables? Can anybody answer? Yes, my children are very clever. Yes, we get fruits, vegetables, flowers from the trees. Very good. So, here you all can see pictures of trees. See, children, you can see in the picture. These are the things we get from the trees. See, we can see here many trees. There are many trees around us. Okay, like orange tree, coconut tree, banyan tree, tamarind tree, yes, cherries, mango tree. Okay, so many trees you must have seen. Okay, children. So today we are going to learn how to write composition on the topic trees. So our today's topic is trees. Okay, children. So today we are going to discuss about trees. How trees are useful to us. Okay. Now look at the screen. Tell me, looking at this picture, what do you understand, children? See, here we can see a boy and a picture of a tree, and a boy is taking a fruit from the tree. Do you all know, children? Do you all have friends? Yes, we all have good friends. Because friends help us, they share their things with us. Okay. Similarly, children, trees are also our best friends. Tree is our best friend, we can say, because it gives us many things. As we have seen in the picture, fruits, vegetables. Okay. So it is very useful for us. That's why we call tree is our best friend. So when we will write our composition, we are going to start with a sentence, tree is our best friend. Okay, children? Now, look at this picture. See, there are many trees around us. Have you all seen the trees? Different trees? Yes. Here, see, in the forest also we can see trees. On the mountains we can see trees. Even where we live in the society, around us also, in our surrounding, in our campus, we can find many trees. Now, tell me, What you all can see? Observe the picture. Yes, we get fruits and flowers from the trees. See how trees are very useful and they have very important place in our life. We can survive because of, yes, because of trees. We are depend on the tree because an apple a day keeps you healthy. Okay, so we should eat fruits every day, and we get fruits from the trees. And even we can see we use flowers for so many things. Flowers are used to decorate our house, to decorate many things in the houses, even to worship God. So these are very important things which we get from tree. Okay children, I hope you all are understanding. Now here see, what you all can observe in this picture children? Tell me, what you all can see? Yes, to your right hand side we can see the logs of wood. We can see logs of wood. Okay, and to your left hand side we can see many people are sitting under the tree. We can see shade of the tree. Tree gives us shade and wood. Do you all know, when we feel very tired and if you go out for walking or to any other place, sometimes we need to sit in the shade. So tree gives us shade also and wood also. With the help of wood, yes, we can make furniture. See here, this is a what is this children? Yes, it is a table I think. Yes, picture of a cupboard looking like a table. So it is made up of wood. So we get furniture from the tree. We get wood from the tree, which is very important to make furniture in our house. Now see here. Do you all know what is it children? When you fall sick and go to the doctor, what doctor gives you? Yes, here we can see tablets, medicine. And do you all know, there are many medicinal plants. Out of that medicine we can make. So medicinal plants are useful to make medicines. So we get medicine also from the trees. Now see here in the next picture. Yes, you all know that trees purifies the air. Children, do you all know people get up early in the morning and they go for walk. They go for walk in the park because we find many trees in the park, because we get oxygen from the trees and it also purifies the air because it inhales carbon dioxide and it gives out oxygen. So we get air also, fresh air and oxygen from the trees. So this is the most important of tree. See children, here we can see, do you all know when it rains, in which season? Yes, in the monsoon, in the rainy season it rains. And you know, trees help to get the rain also. Because of trees we get rain. So trees are really very important. So we call trees are our best friends. Even see, animals and birds, they make their nest on the tree. Even they are also dependent on the tree. So children, what you can see here? We can see few children who are planting the trees. So one thing we have learned, children, tree has very important place in our life. So we should not cut the trees and we should plant more trees to be happy and healthy. Okay children, to make our environment more green and clean. So we should also plant trees. I hope children you all must have understood. So in the next period of composition we are going to write composition on the trees. Okay children, thank you so much.